Okay guys, yeah, I'm on leave as you all know, and obviously boredom has set in. So yes, I've tried to apply my creative mind to various projects, and one of the things I thought of today is to check the head spacing on your rifle. Specifically myself and the semi-auto guys with our FN rifles and R1s, we usually tend to wonder if the head spacing is correct. Bolt action rifles as well. So I thought of a cheap and easy way without purchasing a set of commercial head spacing gauges to check the head spacing of a rifle. So okay, I've taken two cases. You can see this one here. I've deprimed it, I full length sized it, and I trimmed the neck of the case. I did the same to this one, except I set the primer that it is 6/1000 of an inch proud of the rim of the case, because a no-go gauge is usually 0.6 or 6 thou longer than the normal go gauge. Sorry, the dogs are having a good time here outside. Any case, let me just do a quick demonstration for you. Okay guys, here is the deprimed case. It goes in easily, ejects from the chamber of my hour, and let's put in the one with the primer standing proud. Okay, 6 thou standing proud. It will not close the bolt. No wonder the rifle shoots so lacquer. The headspace is correct. Thanks for watching.